Advice for someone who isn't particularly in pain but is interested in chiropractic care is to get yourself booked in, come have a chat and let us kind of know that, because it's a really great thing to do to keep you moving at your best and for long-term health. Hey guys, I'm Ned. I'm a chiropractor here in Tooting. I'm from Bournemouth originally and I've been here since last year. I wanted to become a chiropractor after, by chance, working with a couple of guys who were studying to be chiropractors themselves. That was my first experience with chiropractic care. It showed me the possibilities it can lead to. The way they spoke about the profession was inspiring, and there was so much about it I didn't know, and I think there's so much about it everyone should know. It's so cool to be able to meet people and really kind of change their lives, help them move better, feel better, and kind of understand what chiropractic is, and that there can be a different way to approaching some of these problems. I like seeing all sorts of people in here. I think the variety is what makes it so interesting. I really like treating athletes, but also everyday people, office-based people, weekend warriors, the whole lot. It's all good. I incorporate chiropractic into my daily life by getting adjusted often, getting checked regularly. I do triathlon at the moment and training a fair amount, so getting adjusted often is a really good way to keep myself ticking over and keep injuries at bay. It helps me feel optimal and feel like I'm moving my best, especially with sort of lots of physical activity and exercise. I want to feel like I'm firing on all cylinders. So if you're interested in booking in to see me here in Tooting, give us a call at the clinic or book online. I look forward to seeing you soon.